Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card authorization holds evidence step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant credit card statements. Access your online banking or credit card account. Locate the section where you can view transaction details. Identify the transaction you want to back up. Click on the transaction to view more details. Take a screenshot of the transaction details. Ensure the screenshot includes the date, amount, and merchant. Save the screenshot in a dedicated folder on your device. Next, check for authorization holds related to the transaction. Contact the merchant if you need further clarification on the hold. Request documentation from the merchant if necessary. Save any emails or messages that confirm the hold. Create a text document summarizing the transaction and authorization hold. Include important information such as dates, amounts, and merchant names. Label the document clearly for easy retrieval. Store both the screenshots and text document in the same folder. Back up the folder to an external drive or cloud storage. Confirm the backup is complete by checking the files in their new location. Regularly update your backup folder for new transactions. Repeat this process for any future credit card transactions requiring documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.